Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. How are you?
Doing good. Uh, I enjoyed the class, so went well. Uh, how are you?
Yes, I'm very okay. I've really enjoyed the class as well.
Thank
I
you.
was very happy when I got the code. So
Yeah, that's an
yeah,
achievement.
it has been
Cracking the
very,
door.
very interesting.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
can I
Uh,
first share my screen?
yeah,
And we, I was uploading. Uh, are you seeing my screen?
um, it's yes. Now I see. Yes.
Okay. Now I was
Okay.
uploading the recording to YouTube. And then
Okay.
I wanted to know whether this title is okay or whether there is anything you feel we need to include in the title.
No, I think it's. Oh, yeah, I think it's perfect. I think it
It's
captures what the class is about. So yes. Yeah.
okay.
Good.
So it is okay.
It is okay. Yes, yes.
Okay. 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 Then that is very, very okay. Okay. Because I wanted that we have. Do you want this picture to appear? Are you
Um,
seeing the picture?
I see the picture,
Or
yes.
there is a specific one you want us to be like our thumbnail?
Yes. Let me quickly see. Um,
Are you
yeah,
seeing this
maybe,
picture?
yeah, the picture is okay. Yeah. I was thinking maybe something with the escape room, but this picture, it has the GeoGebra applet as well, so I think it's good. Yes.
It is okay.
It is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I wanted to create a, a list, something like a playlist,
Okay.
such that with okay. Let's
The the classes of the other people will also be in that playlist then.
yes, the same page.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
nice, nice.
Okay. I think I can put the class. Oh,
Yeah,
okay. I
it's
put the
perfect.
class.
The class, senior three, you mean, or what do you mean with class?
Then yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah, but think, yeah, then people know what it's for, so yeah, good.
Yes. Or to be a repetition.
Uh, yes, I would say senior three, but I think that's enough. I don't think you should repeat quadratic equations,
That's
right?
enough.
Because it's already in the title. Yeah,
Okay. So that is enough, eh?
I think so, yeah. I think that's clear enough.
Okay.
Uh, the web page is specifically for teaching in Uganda, right? It's about Ugandan curriculum.
Yes.
The YouTube page. Okay, yeah, then I think it's enough.
Oh,
Yes.
no, it is okay. We can edit. So you are saying,
No, I was asking, is all the teaching on the YouTube page about teaching in Uganda? Or is it also other
oh,
countries?
also okay. I put anything. I put
Anything.
anything. But yes, but mainly it contains Uganda content.
Okay, if it's mainly Uganda content, then I think the title is okay. Otherwise, maybe you should specify, but if it's mainly Uganda content, then
Hmm.
it's clear what S3 means, I think. So then it's
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Okay. So let me share. Even the other videos, I have already uploaded them, but I'm going to
Hey,
be giving them the titles at all the other
yeah.
videos we have been having. They're here.
A lot of videos.
So I'm going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to
Mid
just give them titles, then I publish them. Then you'll be able to get them. But this
okay.
one, I wanted you get it today.
Yeah, that would
Uh,
be nice.
such so it is already there in the chat. But I also share it on WhatsApp. Yeah, such that you can start on the report and other things.
Yes, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Now, the lesson was really very good and very interactive. I
Thank you.
enjoyed it well. Even the children really have enjoyed the session, which was really very, very nice. Thank you for the preparations. Thank you for the efforts and everything. Yeah,
Yeah,
I've
th-
really enjoyed.
yeah, thank you.
Even in fact, they may want even like when you get time, maybe in the near future, you can set for us another escape door. Eh,
Like, yeah, if I
yeah,
have time, then
because
I can. Hmm?
yeah, what happened when the lesson ended and you left? Just know we had to sit in class. Everyone was very, very busy because they wanted to end to see
Yeah,
what
yeah,
is
yeah.
really like there.
What's
So they
behind the
stayed
door?
up for other 30 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
But one
No,
thing I have what I've observed from it, one, it requires you to be good at reading and
yeah,
following instruction.
yeah. That is very
Uh,
important
eh,
indeed.
very important. And then also I've noticed that it requires a lot of critical thinking. You must be able to think, follow the instructions, then relate what you have read. So
Yeah,
it was very good.
yeah. I think it would
Then,
be. Uh, sorry,
okay, you can
can't.
continue.
I can continue. Yeah, if I would do it again, I would think I would try to give students way more time. Maybe if you want to do it completely, it's good to dedicate an entire class to the escape room because it indeed contains a lot of critical thinking, and they need to have the
Mm.
time to write things out, I think. So that's something that which I would do differently. But yeah, I think it was good.
Yeah, it was very good. Then another thing that I enjoyed is the interactivity, like the different assessment formats where you told them, now type in the chat, give your answer, so you could see them at least everyone typing something.
Yeah,
Even when you told them to out, you could see them even in the small groups they were of two trying to try something out. So it was very, very good. And they were really very attentive. Then
yeah,
I also enjoyed the merging of the different concepts because you told them to leave the answer in that sad form, P plus Q root of R.
yeah.
You remember?
I remember, yes,
So
with the
what
certs.
happened? So what Yes, so what happened? Many of them had to recall the concepts they had looked at in senior two on SADS, how to rationalize. So it helped them at least to relate the already learned knowledge with what now
Yeah.
they are learning. So it was really very good and very interactive, and they are very appreciated. Just waiting for when you'll be able to give them another session.
Yeah, if I have time, then
Yeah.
who knows? It's a bit busy now, but in the future, maybe.
Okay. Okay. So far, that is the
Okay.
okay.
Then,
So far, that is the feedback I have. Mm.
okay, it's very useful feedback. Also a bit why I felt it while teaching. The only thing which I would really do different, I think, is now I did not see the students a lot. So maybe next time I would ask them to put on their camera so that I can see them working. Because now sometimes I was not really sure if my message connected with them, if
Mm.
that makes sense. So I think as well for the next students, like who have to teach tomorrow and on Thursday, maybe that's a good tip or something or hint to
Mm.
put on, to ask students to put on their camera. Because then I think the
Mm.
interactivity might be even better, which was something I was thinking
Okay.
while doing. So indeed, but no, I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot during this opportunity. So what I thought was
Mm.
very fun to see is that there are differences between the Belgium and the Uganda curriculum and also between the students, but I think there are more similarities than differences because it did not feel different teaching in a Uganda
Mm.
class or a Belgium class, I think. So that was something nice to see, I think. And then yeah, with the online part, I really enjoyed the fact that I could apply so many different applications. So using the annotations in a Zoom, that's something that I've not used, and asking them to type in the chat. Then as well the GeoGebra and the escape room. I think it was fun to try it out. Yes. Maybe
Okay.
something which I want to share with you is the results of the form. So I asked the students to fill in the form, and maybe I want to share the results. So this is what the students themselves thought of it. So I asked them how fun was the
Mm.
escape room, and so you can see most of them they said
Is it
close to
possible
9 or
to
10.
zoom a bit?
Hmm?
Can you zoom them a bit?
Uh,
Zooming,
yeah, yes, I can.
increase
Yes,
the percentage.
yes, I can. Like this.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Mm.
Perfect. So, like most of one student didn't think it was that fun, but all the other students thought it was very fun. So I'm very happy to see this. So 10 meant it was really, really fun, and 1 means it was not fun at all. Then second question was how much did you learn? And there the students are very positive, I think. It's really
Mm.
7, 8, and 9. So I enjoyed that. And then I asked them how
Mm.
difficult do you think it was? And then 2/3 said difficult, but not too difficult, and 1/3 approximately
Okay.
said it was perfect. But with this, I can understand it based on the fact that they did not have a lot of time to solve it. I think if they have more time, then they will still find it difficult, but I
Mm.
think it will be more, I think it would be more 50-50 if they have more time. So that's something I really want to advise everyone who wants to use an escape room to really give students a time to do this. And then I also got some, I asked them whether they wanted to share something else about the class or the escape room. They were very positive as well here. Required a lot of critical thinking,
Mm.
uh, allowed you to be more creative. Um, so yeah, that's, I think they like it.
Mm.
Oh, I did not
Okay.
see it, but even someone said something in Dutch. I only noticed that now. It's very nice.
That is Dash.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh,
Only saw I
what the
see it
meaning?
now. Hmm? Ah, what does it mean? See you later.
Okay.
Tot ziens. See you later. Very nice.
Okay. Okay. I think I'll search also and find the yeah.
So yeah, I'm very
Oh.
happy.
Okay. At least that is very, very good.
Yes.
Yeah. At least the feedback is really very positive.
Yeah, definitely. And then something else I want to share with you, and I don't know if this is possible via Zoom, but I also downloaded the students' answers and some additional feedback, the submitted
Mm.
answers. And so I just said that to you, I think. So in there you can
Uh,
for everyone who submitted an answer has a separate PDF with feedback. So maybe it would be good if you can distribute that among the students or something, so they can get their feedback. So
okay.
it's one PDF per student, per question per student. So that's
Mm. Okay. Loading it.
yes. know if you can open it or not. It's a zip file.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay. I think this is very good. Yeah, because I'm seeing the how the different people attempted and which answers
Yes.
they chose, which is really
Yeah.
very nice. Hmm. I
Yeah.
think I'll print them and then I give the individual children.
Sorry, I did not understand. Can you please repeat?
I'm saying I can print them out and then I give the individual students. And then maybe once they sit down and reflect, and then they can try out again to see how they
Yeah.
can also break the code.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah. So in the preparation form I sent you, I also have completely written out the answers. So that can
Hmm.
also be used if they're really, really, really stuck, but they still want to know how it works, then the complete solution is also in the preparation form.
Okay.
So then that can also be given to the students, I think. At least not the
Hmm.
entire preparation form, but like the solutions, if they are stuck.
Okay. I shall see what to do with the
Okay, I think the connection broke. And
activity.
now,
But it was very good.
wait, wait,
Are you
the
hearing me?
connection. No, no, now I can hear you. Yes, now I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, I was saying it was very good. It was very good. So
Thank
that
you.
critical thinking they have got, at least to help them think even further. Even when they
Yeah,
meet
yeah.
other scenarios concerning quadratics, at least they will be able to relate very well with their no.
Yes, with what they see for today.
Hmm,
Nice, nice.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I will leave the escape room open. So if students want to work on it, then they can do it. I will not close it.
Okay. Okay. Is there any other thing we need to talk about?
Um, I don't really think we have to right now. There's something you want to talk about.
Okay. Yeah, I think we have exhausted. Maybe in case something comes out during your report writing, I think that is when I may need to come in. Uh, yes. Do you need
Yeah.
the list for children, the names?
The names. I don't think it. I mean, if you have it, then that would be nice. Yes. Don't know if we need it, but it can always be helpful.
Okay. Okay. I can share their names for the class and
Yes.
just in the case.
Yeah, just in case, indeed. And if you have
Hmm.
uploaded the other videos, can you then send me a message on WhatsApp or something? If you uploaded all
Oh,
the videos on YouTube? I
oh
mean,
yes, yes.
about my meetings, or but about the other meetings that's
Okay.
also, but definitely about mine.
Okay, I'm going to do so after uploading.
Yeah,
I'll share with I'll just let you know that I have finished, and then you'll be able to see those ones that the lessons you observed and even others. So I'll
yeah.
send them.
Okay, good. Then
Okay.
I would like to thank you again for the cooperation. It was very fun. I learned a lot, so
Hmm.
thank you.
Okay. I want to also thank you so much for that good lesson, and thank you so much. We have learned a lot. We have learned a lot from your activities, the lessons. So we have really enjoyed. And
Thank you.
we shall keep in touch such that we
Yes.
can keep working the collaboration.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I
Good.
wish you a good after.
Yeah, for you, good afternoon as well. Uh, See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.